Hi guys, welcome back to Badcraft Videos. We're gonna be checking out the new bowl line. I'm gonna go to the base model really quick and see how fast that goes. Might be a little different. Some of them are way faster, but I don't know. We'll drive this one around a bit. We'll drive the coolest one around. But the coolest one, isn't cool. You'll have to see it in the video. Just watch to the end. Trust it'll be pretty cool. I don't know how this car can do it, but it just did. So we're just gonna explore and hopefully make the best of it. Oh well. Wait. Yeah, we got it. Oh. Let's just reset and check out the coolest one. The fastest and coolest one. And this one's the fastest and coolest one. Look at the tire spin on it. It's insane. Gets a lot of wheel spin. But, so, oh. You just don't want to float right off the bat or else you start getting wheel spin. You can, ease into it. I am right here. And then I'm going to hold it wide open right now. It's pretty fast. We're going to get a vehicle that can, split it in half, probably. We'll get T-Series. I'm going to get the, Ram Plow version, which is, I don't know. They're stupid destroyed. Then you can check out the new vehicle. Alright, now we're gonna see it, or now we're gonna park this up here. But I don't know. We're just gonna try to do. With the T-Series, we need to go further because we need to get some good speed. Right here. Middle lane. Alright, we're gonna floor this. GPS on it and everything. And the engine, airbrake pressure up, but it's going fast. I'm gonna do the hood cam. I'm gonna park it right here. Oh, that's right there. And oh, that didn't do it. I think we're going to be going as fast, but I know we're going to split it in half this one. But this is gonna be harder. And still, no. Okay, I know what we have to do. We have to get the Phosphogenitos and split it in half. Which I know what we have to do. Where is Alright. Now we're just gonna let this thing baby run. And we'll just see what it does. Alright, we're gonna fall. Oh yeah, there we go. Whoa. Oh, I don't think we're gonna recover from this. Oh no, what have I done? I did something dumb, didn't I? Oh. We're just gonna play around with this. Another thing I want to mention is that one of these glitches out really bad. I'm not gonna use that one. Oh, that's cool. I'll go with that one. I'm just gonna drive around a little bit with this one. It's convertible. I didn't know it was convertible. Yeah, this one's. I don't think it's convertible. It's just a little glitchy as well. It's not really fast, but not like crazy fast like the other ones, but it'll do. There's our bus. Come on, come on. You gotta be kidding me. Car sucks at this. We gotta use an off-roader, don't we? Yeah, we do. We do something dumb. Or like an off-roader. Is there a race one on this? No. There's a race one on that left. I don't know why this one takes up so many gigs. This one takes up so many gigs on my laptop. Yeah. I don't know if we're making out of this one. But we are. We're gonna do some dumb things. Alright, now let's spawn one of them back up. We're gonna go to the ATK series. There's nothing new about that one. But there is a new car that they added. So it's cool. Because, like, the Battlehawk one's the coolest. Look at that thing. You can't. Look at the interior of it, even though it just has red seats and everything. We're gonna drive around with it. Let's see what it does. It has for a car that like this. Can't believe that has a working GPS. They usually are crap in this car. You can hear that turbo powering up. Uh-oh. You gotta be kidding me. Can I go slow? No, wing it in the next. Right now. Save it. Oh. Save it. Wait. Oh. No. Wait, can we still drive it? Land upright? Let's see if it... I got kidding me. This thing's broke. This thing does a lot of drifts, by the way, and sorry if I'm not talking too much. I'm just trying to concentrate so I can drive for you guys. This one's just gonna be like trying to drive with this one. This video's gonna be all about driving and do a little bit of wrecking, which is great. Also, if you go to the crash rates on this, dude. We're about gonna like hit the wall. Yeah, we're definitely going for the wall. It's gonna hurt. Camera just freaked out. Ooh, yeah, that's bad. Alright. So I'm gonna go live here in a few minutes. When I first started YouTube, I thought they went live by just by doing like a video like this and like all that cool stuff, but I thought I didn't even know they just had to go live. I mean, like, I don't know. It's just weird how they work, but I'm gonna be driving around some different other vehicles. We'll see what kind of speed we can get in this one. Very fast, not too shabby either. Wow. What lump of junk. Alright, now we're gonna pick a different vehicle. Anything different about the pigeon? No, but if you guys are wondering, if you guys really want me to drive one, I will. Made in Japan. Also, it's not a car that we drive. Some people might be out there be like, well, that's a car that we drive, but it's not a car that we drive because we drive on like the left side. These are like super small. Compare them to rockets, and they're small. Let's turn on the nitrous. That doesn't go much faster. We're gonna see the fastest vehicle I have. I deleted a lot of mods. I don't think I showed you this bus yet. I'm just gonna do it. So the stock one, now I'm gonna do the fast one. I usually don't use this, but just for you guys. There's also a drag version, but it isn't as cool. It goes really fast, but pops massive wheelies. We gotta wait for this to load. Had the back engine motor. If you press Y, it opens it up. And then here's the interior. It's a flathead bus. Some seats. It's got the buttons. It's got working steering wheel. It also has working mirrors. And has working gas pedals. And if you press F over here, there's even got the doors. So another cool feature, if you press F again, that opens up with the doors, and then the stop signs come out as well. Because if you press Y, that just opens up. See the engine, which is not really that cool. So I just noticed that there's a tank of diesel, and it's like really shiny. Now let's do some driving. Drive the highway. Also, you can tell by this, by the way. See if you press L. Yeah. Show the crash physics on this to get up to speed. Once I find something to wreck. Ooh, that's good. That's gonna hurt. Spot usually. Ooh. Yeah, these have really good crash physics. I don't know how it's still running, but the humans are still running. Alright, on to the next vehicle. I just want to snap through the vehicles. One run and we're Carrier. I don't know if there's anything different about that. No. Just gonna get a rally one so I can go where I want to. I have to get where I want to, right? For sure. We're going to the... Alright, now we're just gonna drive there. Carrier also has a GPS. This specific one doesn't. Because it's a mod. I didn't download it. Look at those weenie mirrors. These are small. I'm not going slow around corners. Oh, cool. I just wanted to drift. God damn it, it's fine. All I care is about if it drives. Alright, now we're just gonna... And then we're gonna... Uh-oh. And then there. We just recovered. cares? I'm just gonna hold it open. I'm probably gonna hit good 140 miles an hour. Oh yeah. So I'll show you here for now. And I'm just gonna pick up a vehicle and tune it. Where is it? Okay. I don't know if I showed you how fast this one goes or not. No, I haven't, but it's slow without what I'm gonna put on. Then I'm gonna put body. That's fun. Alright, now let's go. It goes pretty fast with them on it. Whoa. Okay guys, like and subscribe, and that'll do it for our video.